So I wanted to get a little quick video of the Wolf Warrior X next to the Nanrobot Lightnings. Just see how different the profiles are. Wolf Warrior X has 10-inch wheels. The Lightnings have 8-inch wheels. As you can see, they stand about the same height. But I think the Wolf Warrior X sits slightly higher. And clearly, we know who has the better headlight. Take a look at the displays. Now the Wolf Warrior does not have a key or a separate voltage meter like this. It has a separate voltage meter. So instead, Cabo on the Wolf made it where you can see the voltage on here like this. So, I mean, you still get what you need, but it is kind of cool to have a separate voltage meter. I like that. And here's my personal one. See my cell phone holder there and my GoPro. Same buttons. Set up a little bit different, and I actually like the feel of the ones on the Wolf Warrior better. It just, they feel more like snappy. And I don't know, ergonomically, the whole setup of them is just different. So we won't get into the lighting, but there's clearly a difference there as well. Actually, since I have them both on, I might as well show you the lighting. So we'll turn this one on. And you know, I do love the way that the light shines from the Nanrobot Lightning. And got the headlight there. And then you got the two, I think they call them like eagle eye lights. They kind of shine onto the ground. So you always have light directly in front of you. And then you have the headlight. Now, on the Wolf Warrior, you have these two bright headlights, which, oh my gosh, they overshadow the Nanrobot Lightning like crazy. And they also have the eagle eye lighting. Now, one of the main differences is, if I turn on the turn signal, as you can see, the turn signal on the Nanrobot Lightning is blinking. You see how these are set up? They're a lot clearer, and you can definitely see those from a further distance. So you're more visible to vehicles on the road. And one of the main differences, the blinker is still on both of these. As you can see, the blinker on the Wolf Warrior blinks also in the front as well as in the back, whereas the light on the Nanrobot Lightning only blinks in the rear. So those are some one-off things that I just thought I'd point out. There are some other major differences just in the overall design and setup of these scooters, but they're both great scooters in their own right. I mean, you can see how this swing arm suspension on the rear of the Wolf Warrior. I mean, it looks beefier. It looks more sturdy. It just looks like the fit and finish of it is a hell of a lot better than the Nanrobot Lightning. But that's not to take anything away from the Nanrobot Lightning. I mean, this scooter is great. And as far as like for jumping off of curbs or bouncing, hopping, all of that type of stuff, doing wheelies and all of that, the Nanrobot Lightning is great for that purpose because it has the same swing arm suspension in the front as well. And then it has the C style suspension in the front right here. And then the little swing arm right there. Whereas the Wolf Warrior has hydraulic shocks, just like a motorcycle. All right, and it goes all the way down to the wheel. The stem goes all, the dual stem goes all the way down to the wheel. So it has that motorcycle profile. And it also has a motorcycle horn, which I've talked about before, and that thing sounds crazy. I pressed both of them on a prior video, so I won't do it again here, but there is a clear difference in the way that they sound. So that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.